show you how to fold this amazing toy. This is called an infinity Flexagon. To make this infinity Flexagon, you need one A4 size sheet. You can also use one half of a square. So let's start with A4 size sheet. Step 1 is fold your paper into half like this. Unfold. Fold this corner to the middle crease. You don't need to make this fold really sharp, so just wait a bit. Do the same with this side. Now you have to fold this edge up. So turn it over and try to do the same like this. So you can align it with the pieces and flatten it. This fold also has to be super sharp. Okay, so now completely unfold the paper. Now your paper would look like this. Start with the next step. This step is to tear. So first make a little tear, and yes, if you are using scissors, no problem. Now you have to fold this edge in half. And make it super sharp. Now you have to fold this and this edge to the middle crease so they meet. Now we have to divide this paper into 8 equal parts. So let's start. Fold this paper into half. Then fold it like this. And make it super sharp with a bit pressure. And fold this paper like this. And if they have not been that sharp, you can unfold the paper and make them sharp like this. So I have done all the folds. Now we have to draw a pattern that will make us understand the folds. So let's start. First we have to fold the paper in half. It has been folded like this. Take a scale and a pencil and make a big cross in this rectangle. turn over and draw one more cross. Now unfold. First it was like this with due process, and then we unfolded this flap and turn it over like this. So we have two crosses. So now turn it over and fold this and this edge to the middle crease. First it was like this and we folded it to the center. Now you can see a diamond. So we have to make one more cross. So we have made one cross, turn over, here one more diamond, we have to make one more cross. Unfold. Now pattern is ready. Look, it has a cross in a small rectangle which is 2 by 1. So let's start. Now we have to make folds accordingly. So let's start. Fold it like this first. And yes, if you are having some confusion, you can start from pinching it from up, then fold it like a elephant. Now you have to unfold this and fold it like this. That goes from this line to this point. Make it sharp. Unfold and now fold it like this in a way like this. Pinch it from up. So now we have to do it from the opposite side, just like how we drew the lines. So now we have folded it according to the pattern. Now we have to take this and this edge and take one edge and insert it into one. And insert it as much as it goes. After you inserted those two flaps, your paper would look like a cuboid, and from side it looks like this. Looks like a pen holder. So let's start. Look at these V-shaped creases over here also and here also, and at the opposite directions also. Now what we have to do is we have to fold these V shapes inside like this, and if you are facing difficulty, you can even pinch it while doing it and with B. And do the same with all the V shaped. I have pressed them all. Yes, ready. I have pressed them all. Now your paper from the side looks like this, and from here it looks like this, like a bangle. Now we have to do the side folds, and when you look at it like this, it looks like a shape like this, and then when we take it a bit up, it looks like a hexagon. We have to take this part a bit up of every hexagon. Done. Now you have to try taking them together. Means we are going to make it easy. So let's do it. So we just have to take this point and fold it down. Do the same with the opposite side, means at the bottom. So it looks like this. We have to do this from all the hexagon like this, and the final like this. And our infinity flexagon is ready. First try doing it slowly, really slow, and with light hands. And when it becomes like it is easy to move, then you can do it fast. I'm sure you are gonna enjoy playing with this infinity toy. Please subscribe my channel, like my video, and share it to your friends. Thank you. Bye.